So tugiye kumenya itandukaniro riri hagati ya made of hamwe na made from. So dukoresha made of mu gihe product yacu iba ishobora kuba ikigaragara. Kugira ngo bitabacanga, like ushobora kuvuga ngo intebe zikozwe mu biti. Bivuze ngo intebe zikozwe mu biti ni ukuvuga ngo still intebe ndazireba nkazibonamo ibiti, nkahita mbyibwira yuko zikoze mu biti. Ni ukuvuga ngo igiti uba ukikibona. Ni ukuvuga ngo aho niho dukoresha made from mu gihe material uba ushobora kuba ukiyibona. Gusa noneho made from tukayikoresha mu gihe material uba utakiyibona. Urugero dushobora kuvuga ngo wenda nk'umwembe, dushobora kuvuga ngo iriya juice ikozwe mu mwembe, cyangwa se iriya ji ikozwe mu mwembe. Niba dukoze ji mu mwembe ni ukuvuga ngo uriya mwembe ntabwo tuba tukiwubona, ahubwo turi kubona ikintu kiri liquid, ikintu gisukika aricyo ji, iyo ji. So ni ukuvuga ngo hano a chair is made dash dash wood. Ni ukuvuga ngo intebe ikozwe mu biti. Ni ukuvuga ngo igiti tuba tukikibona. Ubwo ni made of. Tukajya kuri human beings are made dash dash soil. Ni ukuvuga ngo abantu baremye cyangwa se bakoze mu butaka, abantu baremwe mu butaka. Iyo ubonye umuntu ntabwo ubutaka uba ukibubona, uba uri kubona umuntu nyine. Ni ukuvuga ngo igiti cyo ugitemye still wagicana, ariko umuntu we umutemye ntabwo yavamo ubutaka. Ubwo ni made from, kuko ntabwo tukiri kubona ubutaka. Ubwo ni made from. Tugiye kuri wine is made dash dash grape. Hano ni ukuvuga ngo divayi ikozwe muri grape, cyangwa se ikozwe mu mizabibu. Imizabibu ni utu muri kubona ku ifoto. Ni ukuvuga ngo iyo tumaze gukora wine ntabwo tuba tukibona grapes. Niyo mpamvu turi bukoreshe from. Kuri vase is made glass. Ni ukuvuga ngo vase ikozwe muri glass. Glass ni ikirahure. Ni ukuvuga ngo still ikirahure tuba tukikibona. Ubwo ni of. Twagiye kuri a ring is made gold. N'ubundi nabwo gold tuba tuyibona. Ni ukuvuga ngo impeta ikozwe muri gold. Impeta tuba tukiyibona ni of. A ring is made of gold. So twagiye kuri a house. A house is made bricks. Bricks ni amatafari. Inzu ikozwe mu matafari. Amatafari still tuba tukiyabona. Inzu yubatse cyangwa se ikozwe mu matafari. Twagiye kuri cake. A cake is made dash dash flour. Ni ukuvuga ngo flour ni ifu cyangwa se iriya bakoramo cake, like ifarini. A cake is made. Hano ntabwo ifu tuba tukiyibona. Iyo dufite cake, ifu ntabwo tuba tukiyibona. Ubwo ni made from. A cake is made from flour. The bottle is made dash dash plastic. Ni ukuvuga ngo bottle ikozwe muri plastique. Bottle tuba tukiyibona. Plastique tuba tukiri kuyibona. The book is made dash dash paper. Ni ukuvuga ngo igitabo gikozwe mu rupapuro. Still impapuro tuba tukizibona. Iyo twakoze igitabo, impapuro tuba tukizibona still. Ubwo ni of. Book is made of paper. This book is made trees. Ni ukuvuga ngo kino gitabo gikozwe mu biti. Iyo igitabo cyakozwe ibiti ntabwo tuba tukibibona, tubona igitabo kirimo impapuro. Ubwo ni made from, kubera ko ibiti ntabwo tuba tukibibona, ubwo twibonera book. Juice is made dash dash fruits. Fruits ni imbuto. Fruits ni imbuto. So juice ikozwe mu mbuto. So iyo twakoze juice ntago imbuto tuba tukizibona. Ni ukuvuga ngo ni from. A juice is made from fruits. Twagiye muri clothes. Clothes are made cotton. Cotton ni ipamba. Ni ukuvuga ngo imyenda ikozwe mu ipamba. Iyo tumaze gukora umwenda ntabwo ipamba tuba tukiribona. Ni ukuvuga ngo ni from. Clothes are made from cotton. Uko mubona iyi cotton ntago wabona uyu mupira w'umweru ngo uvuge ko uri kubona cotton, uvuge ko uri kubona ipamba, ahubwo uri kubona uyu mupira w'umweru. Fries are made dash dash potatoes. Ni ukuvuga ngo fries ni chips. Nuko abanyamerika bakoresha most of the time bakoresha fries, gusa muri British nibo bakoresha chips. Ni ifiriti. Fries cyangwa se chips ni ifiriti. Amafiriti akorwa cyangwa se atekwa mu birayi. So ni ukuvuga ngo iyo twamaze kubona ifiriti ntabwo ibirayi tuba tukibibona. Ni from. Fries are made from potatoes. So tugiye kuri been and being. So hano dukunze gukoresha been, dukunze kuyikoresha tudiringa na have, has ndetse na had. Then being tukayikoresha kuri continuous mu bintu bigikomeza. Continuous. Urugero I have dash dash to Rwanda. So been tuyikoresha kuri have. Ni ukuvuga ngo I have been Rwanda. Nigeze kugera mu Rwanda cyangwa se nigeze gusura u Rwanda. I have been to Rwanda. She's dash dash very patient. Then kuri continuous murabizi ko tuba dukoresha, tuba tudiringa na is, are cyangwa se I'm cyangwa se za was, were. Ni ukuvuga ngo hano turakoresha being. She's being very patient. Ni ukuvuga ngo ari kwihangana cyane. Ari kwihangana cyane. She has. Niko kuri has dukoresha been. She has been sleeping. Amaze akanya aryamye. Nanone aracyaryamye. Amaze akanya aryamye. She has been sleeping. We have twanye ko dukoresha still been. We have been good friends. Tumaze igihe turi inshuti nziza. We have been good friends. Tumaze igihe turi inshuti nziza. They were. Twabonye ko kuri were ijyana na being. Ni ukuvuga ngo they were being helpful to us. Ni ukuvuga ngo bari bari kuba ab'ingirakamaro kuri twebwe. Bari bari kuba ab'ingirakamaro kuri twebwe. Ni igikorwa cyari kigikomeje. I had. Twabonye ko kuri had dukoresha been. I had been studying hard. Nari maze igihe niga cyane. I had been studying hard. Nari maze igihe niga cyane. Cyangwa se nari maze akanya niga cyane. I'm twabonye ko ijyana na being. I am being. Ni igikorwa kigikomeza. I am being ni ukuvuga ngo ndi gukurikirwa. Pursued. I am pursued by him. Ndi gukurikirwa nawe. maybe he's running after me, ari kunyiruka inyuma, ndi gukurikirwa nawe. They are twabonye ko ijyana na being, ubwo they are being ni ukuvuga ngo they are being punished, ni ukuvuga ngo bari guhanwa, they are being punished, bari guhanwa. She was ijyana na being. She was being supportive person ni umuntu ufasha, supportive person. Ubwo nari ndwaye, she was being supportive, yari kuba umuntu ufasha, yaramfashije icyo gihe, she was being supportive. We have twabonye ko ijyana na been too many concerts. We have been to many concerts, ni ukuvuga ngo tumaze kujya muri konseri nyinshi. We have been to many concerts, tumaze kujya muri konseri nyinshi. Ntacyo waza utubwira, ni ukuvuga ngo dufite experience. So tugeze kuri on, at na in. So hano dukoresha on tuvuga days, tuvuga na date, tugakoresha at tuvuga exact time, tuvuga exact time, tugakoresha in tuvuga years, tuvuga months, tunavuga seasons, tunavuga ibihe like igihe cy'imvura, igihe cy'izuba, ibintu nk'ibyo. So hano dufite umwaka, kandi mu myaka twabonye ko dukoresha in, tuvuga in. Mu 1995 hano dufite January mu kwa mbere, in January mu kwa mbere dukoresha in. Hano dufite 4th of April, dufite itariki 4 z'ukwa kangahe, z'ukwa 4, itariki twabonye ko dukoresha on 4th of April. Then summer ni season, ubwo twabonye ko dukoresha in summer of 2025. The 1st of June, itariki ya mbere y'ukwa gatandatu. Amatariki twabonye ko dukoresha on the 1st of June, itariki ya mbere y'ukwa gatandatu. Twagiye kuri time dukoresha at, exact time, turavuga ngo at 10 pm, ubwo ni sangahe, saa 4 z'ijoro. Twagiye kuri sunrise ni ukuza kw'izuba, kurasa kw'izuba, then kurenga kw'izuba tuvuga sunset. Gusa hano kuri kurasa kw'izuba tuvuga sunrise. Iyi ni time, ni igihe izuba riba rigize ute, rirashe. Then hano dufite 4 o'clock, saa 10 zuzuye, dukoresha at, exact time, saa 10 zuzuye. Hano Friday, umunsi, Friday ni umunsi, turavuga ngo on Friday, iminsi dukoresha on. New Year's Day, uyu ni umunsi mushya w'umwaka, n'ubundi ni on. So niba utarakora subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu, ushobora kubikora none kugira ngo utazajya ubura andi masomo meza nkaya. So thank you for watching.